In this video, I'll show you how you can send a DaVinci Resolve project to Google Drive so somebody else can use it and edit it, or so you can maybe transfer it to another computer. So this method will transfer the project file and all of the clips, the videos, and the media, so you can just edit it straight as you left off. So before doing anything, just make sure you save it. So I'm going to go Control and S just to save it. Then we need to go to File in the top left-hand corner, and then we can go to Project Manager. Once we're in here, we'll see all of our projects on our computer. You can right-click on the project you want to save, then go to Export Project Archive. Once you've done that, you can then enter in a location. So I'm just going to put it on my desktop, and I'll just keep it as the same file name and click Save. It will then ask us what we want to save in this archive. We need to make sure we've got media files selected. Now you can unselect render cache and proxy media, but for this video, I'm just going to select them all. This will make the file bigger. The main one is media files. You need this selected. Click OK, and it will then save your file. Now, if you close out of this, you'll be able to open the folder, and this will be your files. You can then go into media files and videos, and it will have all of your videos and all of the documentation needed for this project. So this is going to have everything, the graphics, the media, and everything. Now let's get this uploaded to Google Drive. So go to Google, and provided you're logged in, go to Google Apps in the top right hand corner, and then click on Drive. Once you've done that, what I would do is go to New, create a new folder, and then just call this anything. Now we should be able to find the project folder and open it. Here we can then go and open up File Explorer, and you can find the file this way. Or you can go New, Folder Upload, then find the folder from DaVinci Resolve, then click Upload, and then Upload again. Now this may take a while depending on how many clips and how much data you've got, but then once this is uploaded, you can then move this to any other computer, you can send it to somebody else, and then when they access Drive or you access it, all you have to do is get this back onto your computer by right-clicking on the folder and then clicking Download. Then you can just pick up where you've left off and open up this project file in DaVinci Resolve.